Numbers 19 through 21. So on these, we're going to convert the given amounts to the given units. And I've given you some common conversion factors. Remember, this is the multiplier that you need to use to take one unit, given amount, into another unit. So number 19 is we want to convert 9.2 pounds to ounces. So we need a conversion factor that's going to compare pounds and ounces. So we'll use this first one. There's 1 pound and 16 ounces. Now you have to figure out how you want to use this. So we can put 9.2 pounds over 1. We can think of it that way. We need a conversion factor that's going to have ounces show up at the top and then pounds be in the denominator so that it will divide out by the pounds unit in the numerator. So I know now I'm going to place my number, and I look at my conversion factor. I can see that there are 16 ounces in 1 pound. So now with the numbers, I just multiply straight across. So 9.2 times 16 is 147.2. Now watch your units, because any numerator will divide out with any denominator that's the same. So pounds divided by pounds just divides away, or it divides down to 1. And what you're left with, the unit on top, is ounces. And that's what you want. So that's a check for yourself to know that you have used the conversion factor in the right way to have ounces be in your final answer. Number 20, we want to convert 13 inches to centimeters. So we'll place that over a 1. And then we want our centimeters to show up. Here's our conversion factor that we're going to use. Now it's approximate, but we'll go ahead and write it in fraction form. So we want our centimeters to show up in our numerator and our inches to divide out. Now place your numbers. So 2.54 centimeters for every 1 inch. If you multiply straight across, 13 times 2.54 is 32.02. And now your inches in your numerator will divide out with your inches in the denominator, and you're left with centimeters in your numerator. Now in the denominator, I didn't show you this on the other one, we just have divided by 1, but I'm going to simplify that. Anything divided by 1 is just itself. And then finally we want to take 19 feet 7 inches to inches only. Now all I need to do is convert the feet part and then add it to the inches. So I need a conversion factor that will convert feet to inches. So I need my inches to show up in my numerator and my feet to divide out. And then I place my numbers, and I'm looking here to help me. So there are 12 inches in 1 foot. If I multiply straight across 19 times 12, that's 228, and then feet divides out with feet, inches. But then I already had 7 inches, so I'm going to add those together. So 228 plus 7 will give me 235 inches.